Well, this year it's raining discounts. Did we hear you say what's so special about it? Well, it's actually a little different this time, especially if you're shopping for a home in Delhi, Gurgaon or Faridabad. Developers are unzipping their purses to make sure not just you, but even they have a happy Diwali.
If you're shopping for a home. Across the country, developers are throwing in freebies to lure buyers. But the big discounts are in the north, which saw the highest run-up in prices over the last 2 years and the fastest drop in demand over the last year.
Bombay, I don't think there are any discounts. None of the developers will be offering discounts because there is a lot of demand. Whereas discounts would probably be given in the northern cities, Gurgaon, Noida, Jaipur, those kind of places where the demand has suddenly dropped.
Some of the incentives include lower prices during Diwali offered by BPTP in Faridabad and Ansal Buildwell in Gurgaon. Samaya Builders in Greater Noida is giving extras like free parking. Raheja Developers is offering their property at Manesar near Gurgaon at a 100 rupee discount at 2,275 rupees a square foot. Mantri Group and Nirmal Lifestyle are waiving stamp duty and registration fees. Eros Group has a 21% discount if customers book projects on down payment. And Royal Palms is buying back flats 3 years later at the then market price, but the buyer has to sign the contract at purchase. Compare this to Mumbai, where the Runwal Group and Akruti Nirman are only handing out shopping vouchers. Top builders like the Hiranandanis and the Rahejas are offering no discounts and no freebies. So what's holding them back? Well, simply because they can afford to. Prices in Mumbai have not fallen, despite decreases in sales. And in fact, Mumbai builders actually have reason to cheer, as lower interest rates this Diwali from HDFC, SBI and ICICI Bank are working their magic.
The demand from genuine buyers is clearly come back with a bang. Interest rates clearly have had a role to play, a psychological role definitely they have had to play. But I think a bigger factor is the fact that people fear that prices are not going to fall.
So while Diwali is festive all over the country, the real benefits for the consumer in the real estate market are in the north. Mumbai will have to wait a while for any significant price drops if the supply situation does not improve.